Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Tracy, and if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. So today I want to show you how I took off my full cover tips. And as you know, if you don't know by now, I try not to do too much of prep work like dehydration. I don't do dehydration of my nails like with the and I do maybe primer. That's about it. And I don't file the inside of my full cover tips because I do acetone. And normally, within 2 weeks they're off. And I try to do videos for nails, so I need 3 videos. So I fill in the space with different content. But sometimes they do take too long to come off, and because they're not prepped right, they just kind of like pop off. I don't have to tear. I mean, well, I don't tear them off, of course, but most people would. So I want to try this way. I've done a video with this process before, but I did it just with gel polish, and this time I'm doing it with a full covered dupe, I guess, Apres or Kiara Sky Jelly Tips nail. So first, of course, you make sure you clip your nails down to the to your whatever your nail is growing underneath. Take off any type of embellishment that I have on bling bling, and just go ahead and file the top. Now it's hard for me to use an e-file on myself, so I did it the best as I possibly could, and then the other hand I did with a regular file. And I'm going go ahead and get this ready with the 100% acetone. You pour it to the line and cover it up while it's, I guess, heating up. The red light is going to be blinking, and right there, and when it stops blinking, it's telling you to go ahead and stick your hand in there. And guys, if you haven't by now, please take this time to subscribe. Yay! So anyways, I will use coconut oil to moisten my hands because I hate the feel of acetone, guys. This right here is not for me because I don't like acetone. It's kind of like a steam. And I had my hand in there like 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll see what the results look like when I take them out. I don't like the feeling of acetone on my hand, but it really works. Do you lose a lot of acetone versus putting on the cotton on the foil? Maybe you do, because you have to put a good amount of acetone in there. And I see some people kind of reuse them just for themselves. This is not for clients or anything, of course, for themselves. So but by the time I get to use them again, it kind of evap and dries out. But I'm just going ahead and take my nail pusher and take off the excess, and at this point it's best to just put your hand in there again, but I'm like, no, I'm done. Just take them off. I'm ready for my new nails, which I normally take a couple days after I take off my nails to put on a new set. No reason other than the fact that I'm normally busy or something like that. So when I am done taking these off, I'm just going to go ahead and clean them off with alcohol, file them up, and straighten them out, take off any cuticles, and just make them look like a human being. And after this, I think I didn't do anything with them. I didn't put on any polish. I normally put on like a little treatment on my nail, but I didn't. In this case, I just went ahead and, like I said, file it right here, and clean underneath and take off cuticles and clean around the cuticles and stuff like that. So I'm just cleaning the cuticle area, and basically what you would do to get ready to do another set, or just to make your nail look decent. So if you like this idea, check it out. This is my nail after. I didn't put on any type of treatment. It's right after filing. So if you like it, go ahead. It's nice to purchase. If not, do it the old-fashioned way. Take care. Thanks for watching. And have a great day. Bye bye now.